What if I told you I found an extra $500 a month without asking for a raise or starting a side hustle? No complicated spreadsheets, no extreme budgeting. For 30 days, I treated ChatGPT like my personal financial analyst. I shared my subscriptions, grocery receipts, utility bills, and even the small recurring charges I had stopped noticing. I stopped playing defense with my money and started playing offense. Instead of reacting to bills, I made deliberate decisions about where my money should go. Here's the exact prompt I used: act like my financial analyst, find the waste, find the inefficiencies, and show me the opportunities to optimize. I dumped in everything: receipts, bills, the works. It didn't just give me numbers, it gave me clarity. It spotted patterns I was too close to see and calculated the real cost of those tiny recurring charges that add up to a fortune. But here's the kicker: it gave me the scripts to fix it. Word for word negotiation scripts for my internet provider and car insurance. No more guessing what to say. I saved $35 on internet and $42 on insurance with just two 5-minute calls. That's nearly $100 back in my pocket every single month just for asking. Then I axed $78 in forgotten subscriptions and optimized my grocery list for another $120. I'm not eating less, I'm just shopping with a data driven plan. When I stack those small wins, over $500 a month, no side hustle, no raise, just data. This is how you take control of your financial future using AI. Subscribe for more AI for practical use videos. We release new ones every single week. Let's get into it.